Hey, Gary here with you. This video is not made to impress you, but to impress upon you with the right strategy, what is possible in a reasonable time frame. That strategy that I'm talking about is what I call the top strategy. That starts with traffic. That's creating content that becomes traffic over to your offer. In the initial stages, this is just your lead magnet to think about getting people over to a list to effectively start building an email list, but also at the beginning, understanding that your offer or getting people over to an offer as an affiliate so you have a chance to earn a commission is what we're trying to do. And then move on inside of the top strategy to the phase of people, which is building a list. Now, I start the top strategy with traffic from YouTube. That is creating videos like the one you're watching right now. Simple videos that show somebody how to do something, essentially solving a very specific problem for them on a very specific topic. A lot of people like to call this a niche, but what I've done is I've broken this down into 9 simple steps, and I call this the Affiliating Accelerator. Inside of the Affiliating Accelerator, I talk about traffic offer people, which are the 3 core phases that you have to build in succession to get this to the point where you're going, or you're able to go from 0 where you are now, which everyone starts at 0, and going to profit. That is having a profitable online business. Back to traffic, this starts with step 1, picking a topic, then getting through tools, techs, and hurdles, understanding you have to work out microphone, which is sound issues, if you're going to be on camera, if you're just going to record your screen, and then you really get into where it all really starts happening, and that's creating consistent or being consistent and creating content steadily and pushing that out to your YouTube channel. Again, using YouTube as the traffic source to get started, because once you master YouTube and the ability to pick a topic, stay on topic, and to actually solve a problem by making videos to show people how to do something and teaching them that, look, this is the solution to your problem, link in the description. The idea is you create a flow. As an affiliate marketer, you're utilizing YouTube, not to become a YouTuber, but to actually use YouTube to give YouTube the content they need or the content they want that they can put out to the world, and then find you an audience, that being the people inside of the top strategy that you can show the offer that you have as an affiliate that solves their problem, therefore earning you a commission. Back to YouTube, we're looking at content. We're at step 3 inside of the Affiliating Accelerator strategy under traffic. We are looking at creating content. If I was to sort this, you can see this is October 5th. Today is actually October 12th. And what I'm doing here is showing you a steady stream of consistent content. Again, not to impress you, but to impress upon you the fact that this is what the business is. The business as an affiliate marketer is creating content, putting that content out, letting people see that you have a solution to the problem that they have, and then getting them to click on your link, and then providing value so they understand why exactly the thing you're offering as an affiliate is the problem to their solution, the solution to their problem. You see, it's just that simple. You have to learn how to communicate. You have to learn how to communicate this simple message, or communicate and get your simple message across, the fact that you could help people. Sort of like I'm doing my best right now to help you understand how to get started with affiliate marketing. Again, using a very simple process. Traffic offer people is the strategy. Understanding that inside of the top strategy, which is traffic offering people, you start with a topic. You have to get over these tools and tech hurdles. And then most importantly, you have to create this steady stream of content that you've seen here on 30-Minute Marketing. Before you even think about offer, before you even think about people or building an email list, but this all happens really quickly as you move through the 9 steps. You can effectively work through each one of these as quick as possible. It could be 9 days. I like to focus and look at 9 weeks to really look at each one of these steps and move through it, and understand that in the grand scheme of things, 9 weeks goes really fast. Now, where do you find affiliate products? You look on a marketplace. cool marketplace that I'm exploring right now over at one of my other channels is Gumroad. You can see here that Gumroad has the best of everything to read, watch, make, and more. 3D, audio, business and money, comics and graphics, design, drawing and painting, films, fiction books, education. Again, going back to thinking about the topic that you're going to talk about here on YouTube to create traffic, to get them over to an offer, the offer that you see on Gumroad. Again, recorded music, photography, self-improvement, writing and publishing, software development. All products that other people have created that you're going to be an affiliate for, and you simply go over and you look at becoming a Gumroad affiliate. They explain exactly how to do this. It is super simple. You just go to Gumroad and create an account. So when you're on Gumroad, you simply just click login. It takes you over to the login page. You don't have an account. You click sign up, and guess what? You join all the creators that they have over there who've earned over $701 million using this platform. You become an affiliate. This is what is possible in a reasonable time frame. Again, not to impress you, but to impress upon you the fact that this is how you start. It's just that simple with the top strategy. You need traffic, you need an offer, and then you need to add people to a list. And more importantly, those people you're adding to a list, you are helping them find a solution to the problem that they have with the offer that you're offering them as an affiliate, and that is how you earn an affiliate commission. And it is just that simple, following the top strategy, as well as going through the Affiliating Accelerator, 9 steps, getting you from zero to profit. And if you would like to see exactly how I do this, there's a link in the description to check out affiliating. It's free, sign up. I'll show you inside of affiliating. I'll show you the tools that I use and walk you through this process. Check that out. It's free, and I will talk to you later.